In the heart of Mesopotamia, where the Tigris and Euphrates rivers flowed, arose the mighty Assyrian Empire. This empire, known for its powerful war machine, ruled the ancient Near East with an iron fist from 911 to 609 BC. The Assyrians, a people of relentless determination, had a deep-rooted tradition of warfare. Their military prowess was legendary, earning them a reputation that echoed through the ages. The Assyrian army was a formidable force, with a disciplined and well-trained infantry, chariots, and elite soldiers known as the Akkadians. They were armed with sophisticated weapons, such as the composite bow and the khopesh sword, which gave them an advantage over their enemies. One of the most significant crises the Assyrians faced was the invasion of the Scythians, a nomadic people from the northern steppes. In 625 BC, the Scythians, with their horse-riding skills and fearsome archers, threatened the very existence of the Assyrian Empire. King Ashur-uballit II, a seasoned warrior, led the Assyrian forces against the Scythians. His strategy was simple yet effective. He used his infantry to hold the line while his chariots and cavalry circled around, attacking from the flanks. The Battle of Timon was a decisive victory for the Assyrians, marking the end of the Scythian threat. However, the Assyrian war machine was not without its consequences. The empire's relentless expansion and brutal conquest techniques led to resentment among its subject cities. This resentment would eventually boil over, leading to the Assyrian Empire's downfall. The Assyrian Empire's warfare legacy, however, lived on. Their military tactics and organization influenced the armies of Persia, Rome, and even medieval Europe. The Assyrians may have fallen, but their iron fist left an indelible mark on the ancient Near East. The Assyrian Empire's warfare was a testament to their determination and strategic acumen. From the Battle of Timon to their eventual downfall, the Assyrians left a lasting impact on the ancient world, shaping the course of history for centuries to come.